First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Security or Security and Privacy, depending on your phone. Look for Smart Lock or Extend Unlock. Tap on it. Enter your PIN, pattern, or password to continue. Here, you'll see the available Smart Lock options. Tap On Body Detection if you want your phone to stay unlocked while you're holding or carrying it. Or tap Trusted Places to keep your phone unlocked at a specific location, such as your home. You can also tap Trusted Devices to keep your phone unlocked when it's connected to a trusted Bluetooth device, such as your smartwatch or car. Choose the option you want to use and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. That's it. This is how you can use Smart Lock on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.